Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. And just this morning, I made a video about back minus front and how you could do this. And the walnut is laid inside the maple is inside the walnut, and then it's on top of a piece of alder. But I engraved the whole thing on a piece of alder for a reference point to put it so the letters kind of set down in the engraving. I ran it like at 50 speed. I was able to pick it up out of the laser by putting blue painter's tape on it to get all the pieces at one time, then turn it over and I put blue painter's tape on it. So then I could sand off this walnut. The walnut was the only wood I used that didn't have a finish on it, so it needed to be sanded. Now, on a small piece like this, because this is less than 4 inches, that's a 4-inch piece of wood, the engraving didn't take so long. But if you were going to do a large piece and you wanted it in the center and where you wanted it to be, you could actually take this and make a boundary, and we'll delete this and get this and hit P, put it in the center of the page. And you could vector cut real lightly, and that will give you a reference point to put the pieces of wood. You know, it doesn't need all the interior pieces, it just needs this shape. So then you could take your G, and it's a separate piece of wood. Of course, it'd be a lot bigger, and set it down in there first, and then add all your walnut pieces. This thing was, let's see how many pieces it was. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces of walnut. So this was all one piece, 2 pieces, 3 pieces, 4, 5, and then 1 piece of maple. This really makes stuff pop. I mean, that's a beautiful sign, and I did that with back minus front, and I'm going to put a link to that video at the bottom of this one. I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.